are. This is Biker Girl's last ride before she goes overseas. So we're riding together the last time. We're going to go and get some coffee at Firehouse Coffee on Fort Monroe. So leaving the house together, turning right onto our street, going to head out towards Fort Monroe. It's about 85 degrees today, it's overcast, and it is extremely humid. So this happens all the time. As I pull up next to this truck, the guy leans out of his windows and starts talking to me. He says, "Hey, that's a nice bike, and your wife's bike's a nice bike too." And this happens all the time, and it's not even a Harley Davidson. Turning from Fox Hill Road onto Old Buckaroo Beach. She takes this a little slowly. I'm not quite sure why, but she does. Well, she turned. I think she's feeling a bit cautious. And then you go round that cannon. Here we both are on Fort Monroe, heading towards the Firehouse Coffee. It's a very tight 120 degree corner. I'm keeping an eye on her and make sure nothing happens. And she's asking me where to park, and I say, park there on the right. There's the car park. On the right. Oh. On the right. Then she pulls in and parks.
I'll park over here.
So I pull up here, empty car park space. Go on the left there is actually the owner. As soon as he sees me pull up, he walks over and we start talking bikes. He rides a Harley.
How's she handle?
Lovely.
Yes.
It's like driving a couch.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we spent about 45 minutes at Firehouse Coffee. I had a cappuccino, the biker girl had a smoothie of some sort, and I had a cheese and egg croissant. It was all very good. And now it's time to leave on our absolute last bike ride together, and for maybe a year or longer. We'll have to see. It's all very sad that we won't get a ride together again on our Sundays. I really look forward to our Sunday rides, but I'll just find something else to do on Sundays. Maybe I'll join MC. Become a Hell's Angel. In Fort Monroe here, about to ride home. As I always say, tally-ho, off we jolly well go.
Yeah, the dark cloud coming in. It's not really supposed to rain this early.
Thunderstorms are forecast in the next 20 to 30 minutes. And when it thunders here, it rains like cats, dogs, and all sorts of other farmyard animals.